Welcome to Amy's kitchen. Two things. One is fish pie, low caloric fish pie, and the other one is something close to fuse tea. Welcome to Amy's kitchen. Once again, I'm going to teach you low caloric, self-created and time-effective recipes. So let's get started. Today I'm going to teach you two things. One is fish pie, low caloric fish pie, and the other one is something close to fuse tea. Yes, the cold tea that is available in the market. We gotta make that at home. So let's get started. First with the fish pie. I have these potatoes, boiled potatoes, and then we would need cheese. I always prefer cottage cheese because it has so many health benefits. It improves your sleep and it is very good for your health as well. Then you can add any kind of fish to your fish pie, but I'm going to use tuna because it's so easy to add to your dish. You can add salmon if you want to. Cream of mushroom soup. Ready soup available in the markets, and this one I checked from the table at the back that it is very low caloric, so I just bought it, and I don't need to give extra time or do the sauce in the pan on the stove because our recipes are also time effective. And you don't worry if it's soup even, it will taste very good, trust me. But if you buy that other mushroom creams in the market, they're very high in calories, so I won't suggest that. So now that I have my potatoes ready, I am going to mash them with a masher. Potatoes, the bottom layer of the fish pie. So what now? Tuna. I don't want to add this brine to my dish, so I'm gonna drain this. Well, brine is simply water and they add salt to it and to preserve the tuna. We are going to put this dish in the oven, so I should already be turning on my oven to 200 degrees Celsius and just for 2-3 minutes. It depends what kind of oven you have and how much time does it take to preheat. Evenly distribute the tuna, also layer it nicely. And now mushroom soup. This is going to save a lot of time. I don't need to make a sauce in the pan. So again, time effective recipe, huh? And I'm going to remove some of the liquid that's in the package. Trying to lose weight or just looking forward to eating healthy, cottage cheese is the best amongst cheese. I love all forms of cheese anyways. So I'm going to keep the temperature at 200 And I'm going to turn on the timer and I'm going to bake it for 40 minutes, 40. So in total about 1 hour's time. I got that preparation done, and even less than 1 hour. And then 40 minutes in the oven. And my dish would be ready, fish pie. So delicious, and it's low caloric, no worries. Well, before I start making the fused tea, I want to show you all the different options of kind of sugar-free concentrates that are available in the market. There are various flavors, as you can see. Now to make that iced tea, to make it more healthy, I would add ginger, grated ginger to my tea. 1 tea bag, black tea bag. The tea is about to get ready. I will add it to a glass bottle before putting it back into the refrigerator. Let it cool for some time before I add it to this bottle. And my favorite flavor is, so I will add into this tea and use a strainer. In no time my fish pie is also going to be ready. So those were 2 recipes for the day: your ready meal and your cold tea, which you keep refrigerated, and then you can just pour it into a small bottle and take it with you when you go out for shopping or for exercising, or that just like that, just pour it in the glass and have it, and you will really enjoy the taste. So all the best, and remember to take care of yourself, because you are precious.